Okay, how to get organic sales from PPC targeting. So here we jump in. So in order for getting organic sales from PPC, you want to make sure that you're targeting your index keywords. Okay, so you take your product, you make sure that you're targeting your index keywords. You don't want to target anything but the index keywords because those index keywords are ranking organically. You want to take those organic keywords. You want to go after PPC targeting. And from there, you want to expand that PPC into broad and phrase match campaign. Anything that's indexing right here are the exact keywords. You want to expand it to broad and phrase match keywords using the 5 different steps I've told you earlier. Let it run, start bidding at least 75 cents to $1, because in order to get the profitable keywords, you got to go a little bit up on the price and see which one really pulls out. After you get that information, you pull the relevancy of those keywords and you start bidding on them. And that's how you're basically going to convert the profitable keywords from PPC into indexing to your product, because the more, see, I'll explain to you how indexing works. The more clicks you have on a particular keyword, the more the product moves on that same particular keyword, the more the conversion happens from that particular keyword. Then through PPC, we can force the listing to get indexed really fast. How does indexing work? You take all these keywords. The way the algorithm works is it takes one keyword, multiply by this, multiply by this. So you have all these keywords in the listing, right? We're going to copy them. And I'm going to take it to Frankenstein. I'll show you how does the algorithm react when it comes to so many keywords. So as you can see here, we got 158 keywords. It takes one multiplied by the other. Now, if you do this whole thing of 158 keywords, imagine how many thousands of keywords it's automatically converting. And that is how fast we can get ranking for keywords. And if you're targeting them through PPC, and if the sales are coming in, then slowly and gradually it will start increasing and get those keywords indexed for your listing so that you can have a profitable organic sales. Along with that, when you're targeting those same keywords through PPC, it is giving you profitable results. So anytime you're indexing or organic ranking and indexing is about the same thing. Anytime you're taking those and you're targeting, forcing them through PPC, means you're trying to hold your position for that keyword or improve your position ranking for that particular keyword phrase. And this is how you really get start to rank. The more the ranking you're doing on a particular keywords, the better the approach you will see. So taking it a step further, let's take this for example. So if you're going to index for a lot of keywords, you're going to see a couple of things that is going to change. So I'm waiting for the graph to show up over here in the Helium 10 graph. It's a beautiful product, this one. Very nicely done. Okay, let's see where the graph is. Okay, it's loading now. So the more the keyword, the ranking, the more the relevancy of those keywords to your product, the better the organic sales, and of course, better the PPC works. The only thing that we have to look for is the blue right here, which is the sales range. This needs to drop. The lower it goes, if it goes below 10,000, if it goes below 1,000, if it goes below 100, if it goes below 10 sales rank, the lower the ranking goes, the better your approach will be towards selling. It is going to improve your category node, is going to improve your category niche, is going to improve it so much that you're going to see. So the more the BSR drops, the better your sales come. Okay, very simple. So it is actually a very nice product the way this one is designed. Now, if any one of you is doing this product, I just want to say one thing. It's beautiful the way it's designed. The only thing that you can do is add more images and keep it less keywords over there, because with A+, image is more powerful than keywords. Okay, so I hope you guys understand there. All right, see you in the next lecture.